So this visual will show us how we can get a common denominator, what that looks like on a number line. Okay, so as I have my fraction 2/3 plus 3/4, okay, so 2/3 plus 3/4 here. Here's my 2/3 fraction on the number line, it reaches that point right there. Here's the 3/4 fraction on the number line. Okay, so to solve this, to add these together, we need to have the same size partition. So what we want to be able to have is, instead of this partition being this long and this one being a different length, we want to show it in the same length. Okay, so when we do that, you can kind of see that these partitions then are the same length. So to find that the same length partitions, we need a common denominator. Okay, so our common denominator, so we're going to divide this section into 4 equal groups, okay, to get 12ths. We're going to multiply this by 3, meaning we're going to do 3 equal groups, and we're going to get the same size piece by doing that. Okay, so this is what it looks like then. So we're going to have fractions with a common denominator. So we have our 9/12ths, that's going to be here. Okay, we can see we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we're going to have our 2/3 now becomes 8/12, so we times by 4 times by 4 to get 8 over 12, and go count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, you can see this groupings of 4 here. Here we did groups of 3, okay, because we're going to multiply by 3. And then now, once we have the common partitions, we can actually add them together. So we're going to end up with 17/12. Okay, so we have 8/12 here, we have 9/12 here. That gives us a total of 17 1/12 pieces, because notice again the increments are going to be the same. We don't change the size of the increments, so the denominator doesn't change when we add them together. Okay, so if we can reduce this, we would reduce it, but in this case this is not reducible, so we end up with 17 over 12, and as a mixed number it's 1 and 5/12. I actually prefer your answer left as an improper fraction. Okay,